Welcome children to our moral science class today. So before entering into our topic, let's see about emotions. So what are emotions, children? Yes, emotions are the expression of our behavior and physiological effects. Yes. So during emotions will bring about changes in our behavior as well as in our body condition. Okay. So here I have shown you some basic emotions of humans. Anger, happiness, surprise, disgust, sadness and fear. So all these emotions are very important to a human being. Yes. God has gifted these emotions to us which will help us to lead into a healthy and quality life. Isn't it, children? Okay. So of these emotions, today our topic is going to be about anger. So let's enter into it. So first I'll explain you the words of wisdom. Anger is the fire that turns everything in its vicinity into ashes. Yes. So what is the nature of fire, children? The nature of fire. Fire will burn everything around it into ashes. So it will burn everything nearby and it will give into ashes. Yes. In the same way, if a person gets angry, he will destroy the entire situation, happy situation, enjoyable moment around him or her. Okay. And next, in this session, we are going to see about what is anger, types of anger, effects of anger, and also the ways how to control our anger. Anger is a sudden outburst of displeasure with a desire to take revenge. Yes. Anger is a sudden outburst, isn't it? Do we prepare any timetable or chart when to get angry? So morning once, evening once, we have to get angry. In such a way, we used to do anything like that? No. It's a sudden outburst. We do not know when we get angry. And it is an outburst of displeasure. Displeasure is not happy. The situation around us will become very worse in such case. When things do not go the way we want them to go, yes, exactly. So we plan something to do, and if it doesn't go in the right way, in such case we used to get anger. So here we are going to see about some types of anger. And the first one is violent anger. So the by name itself we come to know it's very violent, it's terrible. It's very terrible to others. So I've given some expression of violent anger. See here how the boy looks when he was in a violent anger mood. See his face, his eyes, ears, everything. The beautiful face takes on a savage look. His look will become very terrible. His nose will get burned, it will get flared up. The lips begin to shake in an uncontrollable way. Even the tooth like cruel tusks. No able to distinguish true or false, right or wrong, exactly. So people who are in anger, no, they won't know what they are doing, whether they are doing in the right way or what. So they are in a confused way. Explodes words like a rocket. You know how a rocket will go, right? In a fast mode. Same way, a person when he is in an anger mood, the words which comes from his mouth will come out very fast because he doesn't know what he shouting, what he's screaming, what he's talking. Behaves in a childish way of screaming, stamping the floor, etc. So see children, when you want to get something from your parents, what you will do if they don't buy what you want. We used to scream, shout, used to even stamp the floor. It's the same way. That is called childish way. Because he doesn't know what to do. He wants to express his anger. And this is the expression of violent anger. And next one is occasional anger. This kind of person, no, this people, no, sometimes they used to get anger. So expression, shouting at others. They used to shout at people around them without any reason. Doing wrong things because they are in confused mode, they don't know what to do. So they used to do things in a wrong way. Strange behavior. So people around them, we don't know what this person is doing because he's in anger mode. We don't know what he's reacting, what he's going to react, how is he reacting. So that is called strange behavior. And the other one is silent anger. This is something very dangerous. See what we seen before is violent anger and occasional anger, in which those persons will show some activities, physical activities. But here it's very silent. We cannot assume whether he's in an anger mood or what, isn't it? So no response. These people will not respond to anything. Even if we ask anything, they won't respond. No facial expression at all. No facial expression. You've seen in violent anger, all his eyes, nose, everything gone, like something, And in this case, this person will not show any expression on their face. Flames not shown. Flames are not shown on their face. But the coal is getting hotter and hotter inside. It means they will not show any facial expression of anger, but the anger is inside their thoughts, which is growing day by day. And the other one we are going to see about effects of anger. So far we have gone through some types of anger, and in this slide we are going to see about effects. What are the effects of these anger? Discomfort to others. Yes. People around them will feel very uncomfortable. They won't feel comfortable, or they won't interact with them. They won't feel free to talk to them, to share. So it is discomfort to others. Creating unhappy situation. So when a person shouts, do we go nearby him or her? No. Because of fear, we don't know what he's going to do the next, right? So creating unhappy situation. Loneliness. The people who are in a mood of anger will feel very loneliness because the people around them will not go and talk to him. They won't have any interaction with them. So what they felt actually, they feel very loneliness. Another one is disrespect. People won't respect him because of their bad behavior. And here we are going to see about control of anger. How we are going to control this anger. So here I have given you two methods how to control your anger. These methods have been experienced psychologically by many people, and they have also given a good results. So I have given you, and I'm suggesting you these two methods. First one is counting method. So what you have to do is, before if you want to shout with anybody else, so before that, just count from 0 to 10. Just wait for the counting to come and end. Just a second or a minute. And after that, if you express your anger, it will not be in a worse condition before the starting point. It means, while you're waiting for that seconds or minutes, what will happen? Your mind and your body will get relaxed. So the expression will be not much worse. And if you do this counting method day by day, and if you practice this method, definitely you can control your anger. And the second one is writing method. So what you have to do in this method is, if you want to scream or shout as anybody else, just take a paper and write what all you have to shout, scream, words, languages, whatever. Write everything in a paper and just keep the paper aside. After 2-3 days, just take the paper again and read all the things what we have written on the paper slowly. You will come to know that you will automatically take one pen or pencil and you will start correcting those words and languages you have used. You feel, sometimes you feel a little shame of yourself. These are the words I have used. These are the words or these are the languages I have used. So this method will also help you. And day by day, by practicing this method, you can also control your anger. Okay, children? So, in today's class, we have learned about anger, what are the types of anger, and what are the effects of anger, and how to control it. Thank you, children, for watching this class today. We'll meet in another class with a new topic. Thank you.